This is a 2010 Lincoln MKX. It features a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include heated front seats, a low tire pressure indicator, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, big 18-inch wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions, so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, air conditioning, a power rear liftgate, a 6-speaker audio system, leather seats, a rear spoiler, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, cruise control, and this vehicle has fewer than 11,000 miles on the odometer. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.
Thoroughbred Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at I-29 and Berry Road in Kansas City.